He further contended that the petitioner has fraudulently withdrawn a handsome amount from the account of the respondent, which was jointly run, the respondent was a professional woman and a serving officer, while the petitioner, a petty official, encashed the amount and misappropriated the property of the respondent, which is an additional ground, justifying the dissolution of marriage. Full stop. He further argued with considerable intensity that because of ironclad traditions and customs of the society, particularly in this class of family, invariably costly and expensive dowry articles are essentially given by the bride parents, without that, the wife is cursed and treated with contempt by her in-laws. Full stop. These articles are normally displayed before the relatives and friends to take a pride for the same, therefore, in his view, the two courts below failed to attend to this aspect of the case and unreasonably denied the decree for the recovery of dowry articles, the list of which was brought on record in a proper legal manner, which was not specifically denied, however, a special plea was taken by the petitioner providing money for purchase of these articles and bridal's gifts. Full stop. The onus to prove was on the petitioner, but he failed, thus the impugned judgment and decree require to be modified to this extent, and the relief for recovery of dowry articles or its market value may also be granted. Full stop. We have attended to the submissions made at the bar and have minutely gone through the evidence, both oral and documentary, available on record, which was adduced at the trial. Full stop.